Hello friends, welcome to my another video on your official YouTube channel, SU Official. Friends, today I will show you how preparing for the roof of our new house is being prepared. You can see that there are many sids. The reason for the sids is that the roof rod will be given on top of it. And then the roof welding will be done. Just look at that, workers have tied beams in a very nice way. There are lots of skilled and experienced workers in Bangladesh. You can see that the workers have kept the sids very nicely and nail around them and nicely sticking down with wood. The second step of the stair and the roof will be welded together. So far today, like, comment, share if you like the video, and subscribe to the channel for the next interesting video. Press the bell icon. Thank you.